What's up, y'all? So I'm on my way to the University of St. Thomas to perform for their Hmong New Year, and I haven't gotten up this early for a performance in a long time. It starts at 11 in the morning, and we're supposed to be there by 8, but it's roughly around, you can see right there, about almost 9:30 already, so I'm a little late. And yeah, it's gonna be a long day, man. So off to St. Thomas, and then later tonight I'm gonna go to an event where Andrew Garcia, Lil Craze, Michelle Martinez, Timothy De La Guerra, and all the YouTube stars are gonna be at. So that should be fun. But yeah, right now, you know, I got my McDonald's breakfast, the orange juice, and gonna fuel up and get this day started. So. So here's my friend Jacinta. They're a little late. This is the famous guy on YouTube, Elijah, of course. Yeah, the show already started, but so I'm chilling here with Cody Lee.
What's up, you guys?
It's kind of dark, you can't really see him, but how'd you think your performance went, Cody?
It was alright. Didn't do the best.
He's lying. Ladies' hearts were melting, and that is Z Tao from MTV. Crazy, crazy.
Great performance. The most.
Thank you, Z. Yeah, but Cody was a beast, and yeah, going through the intermission right now. Yo, that's two Hmong comedian.
So awesome, man. I decided to wear my apron today because it's New Year. Everyone's looking so good. I got my bling bling on. Yeah, who's got their bling bling on? You can do this.
So that is it. Cody Lee, what a success.
Enjoy you guys'
Gee, dang.
All right.
Crazy.
Good job, huh?
Motion crew killed it up there. Added this up. Finally over. Crazy. We have a superstar here, Mai Tao Zhang. You know her music and her friends.
Hi.
Yeah. What is your YouTube, by the way?
This is my full name, Mai Tao Zhang.
Yeah, check her out. She's a beast.
Oh wait.
The best part of the day is the eating. St. Thomas students serving food. Tu Jershang, amazing.
I'm eating now.
Thank you, Yusa. Woo!
Thank you, Cody.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you, Cody.
I love all of you guys.
Thank
Love you,
Right now it's snowing. Me and Cody are about to go grab some tea gardens with a few friends. It's crazy out here though, man. We haven't had much snow at all this year, but looks like it's gonna storm on us tonight.
So we're hanging out here at Tea Garden.
With Cody, of course, and Mai Tao. Hi. And Li Ying.
Hi.
Yeah, so they are comedians, so they've been making us laugh for like 30 minutes. It's crazy. Yeah.
Spit out my.
So this is after the St. Thomas show.
These lovely ladies for having some tea garden with us, me and Cody.
Yes.
So, Mai Tao again. Hi, and Li Ying. So after a long and crazy day at St. Thomas University and hanging out with a few friends, we're out here at Minneapolis, downtown Minneapolis, to party it up with all the YouTubers, Andrew Garcia, Lil Craze, Timothy De La Guerra, Michelle Martinez, and so, oh man, I just woke up from a nap, so I'm super tired. We're gonna try to have some fun, and yeah, it's gonna be crazy. I'm here with Ricky Shucks, man. All the way from California.
All the way from Cali. It's cold as shit out here, man. Fix that. Do something about it. Put a heater outside. California.
California, yo. Good to meet you, man. I'm here with Ben Jam from KID Crew.
Yo, what's good, man? Shout out to Paul. We the dopest motherfucker
he recognized who I am, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, bro.
Right
You
here.
got a smooth voice, man. Keep it up, yo.
Rich man from California, Timothy De La Ghetto. What's up, man? Welcome to Minnesota again.
Fuck this dude. Fuck this dude.
My nigga.
Hey, what's up? What's your name, bro?
Paul.
Paul. Shout out to Paul and his vlog.
That's what's up, man. With, you know, YouTube sensation Jargon from Chicago. What's up, man? What's up, Jargon?
What's good, baby?
What's that nigga Crip for life?
All right, I don't follow that. I don't know. Yo, what's up? It's your boy John Garcia. We live in Minnesota right now. The Epic. Big shouts out to my home away from home, Minnesota. M-Town, how y'all doing, ladies?
I'm here with the boy Tricks,
Good,
man.
good, good, good. Yo, what's up, man? We here at Epic Nightclub. Shout out to Trilogy. Shout out to Paul for coming through. Tricks, KID in the building, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get it
I'm
poppin'.
here with the YouTube star, Michelle Martinez, all the way from California. How do you like Minnesota?
You know what? It is cold as hell over here, but I like it. It's been fun so far. I met you, so shout out to Paul.
We love you out here, man.
I've been wanting to come here, so I'm really excited.
Glad you're here. Hope you have fun.
Me, baby.
Don't be scared, I'm right here, baby. We can go anywhere, but first, here's your chance. Take my hand, like I've been my whole life. Minneapolis, y'all are always a good time. I love doing home shows. I love that my family is here. My whole squad is out here. My whole squad is out here. But see, the beautiful thing about tonight is this. The beautiful thing about tonight is this. Is that not only do I have Traphik here.
Done out here at Epic, and here in Minneapolis. Crazy concert, seeing Lil Craze, Andrew Garcia. It's crazy because Andrew Garcia knew who I was, so you know that's it's crazy. Makes me smile and whatnot. But huge shout out goes to Andrew Garcia, Lil Craze, Timothy De La Ghetto, Ricky Shucks, all the YouTubers. Michelle Martinez, she was so beautiful. Yeah, man, it's crazy out here. You see all the snow and whatnot, so try to drive home safely. But yeah, crazy night. Thank you guys for watching my vlog. And yeah, man.